it works. Hey guys, Happy New Year. Welcome to another video. So it's a PromptSquad video, and well, hey guys, and welcome back to another video. So today's hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this is today's video is another PromptSquad challenge, which was basically to pick our favourite prompt from the year and like redo it. So I decided to go with the green hue one. So I wanted to do like a sci-fi character, I think. Yes, sci-fi character. So I just did a couple sketches and made a gun, sci-fi gun, and then I turned it into a digital illustration using Procreate. So I'm going to show you that now.